Well, what if it's a repeat customer? A customer that is spending money and has no more to put into it. There's the Rutan with the 62 TE. And we're about to find out what happened. I think we got a bearing failure. 62 TEs get nothing but Mopar parts entirely throughout this unit. The upgrade is the pistons. The accumulator pistons get the Sonex pistons, but even new parts fail. It's going to get a complete overhaul at this point, and it might even get a compounder assembly. Now, as far as the 48RE, that customer has spent a lot of money with the person that I work with that I do repairs for, and he is at the point where I don't have any more to put into it. I understand the point where he didn't have the money to put a triple disc converter in that, but the three options were laid out. And I still stand behind it because I can warranty the converter. I can warranty the parts. The side of this industry is if you have a repeat customer that is spending X amount of money, you got to have an overhead to pay for, correct? That is correct. Now, the other side of it is the fact that if you have a failure and you have to eat that part of the profit or the repair itself, and whatever is under warranty, you can warranty out, and then eat the labor side of it, you're still gaining that customer. The one thing you don't understand is I adhere to the warranty that I have on everything that I put out. The other side of it is that I have the ability to decline that warranty at will. The bearings may have failed on the 62 TE, and the converter may have failed on the 48RE. One part may be an oversight, and the other may be something that you know is going to happen. Sometimes we take a risk, sometimes we overbuild, or we make it right where it needs to be. It's the difference between a stock performance and a high horsepower build. So what are you going to do? Charge the customer something that they don't need, or something that they just want to be comfortable with? Something that wants to last, or something that they don't have to worry about? Because sometimes overkill is spending too much into what you're doing. That's called overcharging the customer.